Hey, welcome back. So, in today's video, let's install a new horn. Kept it there. So, let me show you the current horn which I am running. In my current horn setup, what I was actually running for like for 2 years was the stock Nissan horn. Then I had bought myself a Bosch horn, but then one of the, I guess, the high tone just failed multiple times. Then I coupled that other half of it with the OEM horn. I've just painted it red, and then the other one is on top. So now, it sounds like a trumpet, and the sound is very loud. So now I'm gonna install this new trumpet sound from D-Trek. It is made in Germany. So yes, I've tested it. So the sound is really very nice and sweet and loud as well. So it is the trumpet one. So yeah, so let's install. So first thing what we're gonna do is remove the old horns. And yeah, so the for the bolts, this one is a 13 mil and this is also a 13 mil. So let's remove. So I have my wrenches ready. This is a 10 mil socket, just so that if the horn touches anywhere, I can move in it. You can adjust the horn from there. And this is the 13 mil socket. So let me first unbox it and I'll show it to you. So here is the horn. It comes nicely packed in bubble wrap. So let me just remove one of this up, and here it is. So the quality is very good, and here you can see the branding D-Track. This is the low one, along with shows the how much sound it produces, that is 400 hertz. So yes, so in my case I don't have to remove the bumper. Can directly the upper one here, and we can just install there directly. So let's install. So I'm currently running the low one on top, so I'll be installing it there, and the high below. So let's install. So first step is to remove the old horn. So this is a 13 mil socket, and this is the 10 mil socket, which is universal for that also. So you can just see I've loosened it a bit. And in order to remove this, there is a plug kind of like which you need to press. This one, see, it says push, so just push on it and remove. That's how it comes out. So it's removed. I'll just remove it and I'll get back to you. So just tried installing the first horn, which is the lower one, but then the prongs are that side. I even tried loosening this and everything, then it just touching everywhere. Searching this pipe, then that AC pipe also. So I'm gonna make a bracket using the old bracket, and yeah, let's attach that. So I just used that old bracket from the old horn and attached it this way with using some nut and bolt, and I've bent it a bit so that it clears all those obstructions, which is pipes and everything. And also make sure that your wire doesn't stretch too much or there's some tension on that. So yes, now let's install it. So I'll just show you how it looks when you install. So it looks something like this, and the one which we installed down, that is pretty straightforward. You can see there's that bolt on that you need to attach, and just tighten and just plug in the wires. That's it. So let me do it. So yes, I've installed both of them, you can see, and it's that simple installing on your car. Just have to make sure that your wires are not under tension, and you don't have the horn touching anything else. So let me show you how it sounds. So yeah, I won't play it much because It's 2:15 in the afternoon and people are sleeping. My neighbors will get mad. So I'll add few more shots which I have taken. So yeah, it's that simple. So that's how you install a horn at home by yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned till the next update.